CS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much, guys. Alright, so I hope everyone, thank you for coming back here. And in this 2022 January 27 Forex trading plan, same thing as a full-time Forex trader, we have to plan out our trade before we actually can go for trading. Why is that so? It's because it will give us a better direction, a better decision to enter for a trade, to make a consistent profit from Forex market. Okay, all right, so yes, so over here let's see what we are going to do. Okay, so first of all, okay, what am I going to go with today is the AUDCHF. Okay, same thing, I'll be going with English and also Mandarin. All right. Okay, so hi Bradley, hi Fab, 你们好. Okay, right, Roger, thank you for coming in again. Thank you so much. Okay, so yep, let's see what do we have here today, huh? All right. Okay, AUDCHF, like I say, for past few days and weeks that we are experiencing a retesting of the support level here. Am I right? Okay, so now it is still in the retesting. As you can see, it's trying to hit on the support and go into the zone now. So whenever we are going to the bull zone like this, okay, try not to enter for any trade, whether it's buy or sell. It is unclear. Okay, so over here it is good to stay away. All right. OK， 所以澳加呢，今天我们这一看的话呢，澳加它真的是回来重踩这个支撑，这个牛市的这个转换啊。OK， 那么呢，这个区域啊，就是在这个牛市里面呢，开始在做转换，然后呢，在这一段里面呢，他们都是在一个阶段啊，不上也不是下，没有一个很清晰的一个方向啊，让我们去做交易，所以今天就要避开了。OK。Alright, so Aussie franc. Okay, so now Aussie franc is at the verge of, Aussie franc is actually in the bull. Okay, looking at it, it's now hitting on the support and go up again. Looks like it's going to retest as well. It's going to retest the bull zone here, the support level. Okay, the support area over here. Well, so since it's going to retest, okay, and it looks like, you know, it's tentatively today we are looking at selling, correct? We are looking at selling. Okay, so now let's take a look at this. And selling, do we have a chance to sell? But we have to be very clear about where is the support level before we can actually go for a selling. All right, so over here, this part here, it is the support area. So over here, like you can say, it's going to retest the support here. It looks like we have 50 pips. But this 50 pips, it looks like it's a very big space. However, along the way, you will see a lot of support. Okay, there's a lot of support around this along this journey for the retesting. So we still have to pay attention. We still got to pay attention to where we are going. Okay, so again, 在这里的话，澳瑞的话呢，现在呢能做空，但是我们还是得要注意说它的这个支撑位置是在哪里啊 ？OK， 所以澳瑞呢今天是可以关注做空，但是最好就是先等它突破，在这一段只有10个点就到一个支撑嘛，对不对？所以呢，在这一段的话呢，目前这一说的话，澳瑞如果要做单子的话呢，首先等它先突破这个支撑位置，然后呢，在底下呢。有新的压力位才做单子的话，都 OK 的 ，OK， 好不好？好了，那么现在这样看的话，有没有机会做这个澳瑞呢？看一下哈 ，OK， 目前现在哈应该要等一等吧 ，OK， 我们应该要等一等这个澳瑞哈，等一下吧，等一下，等它回调之后，然后呢，在有新的压力位的时候呢，才来做单子会比较好一些 ，OK。Alright, so Aussie franc, let's wait for a little retracement. Okay, so to form a new resistance, then we start selling. That will be much better. Okay, so Aussie franc, since it's actually into this should I say retesting? Okay, it's in the stage of retesting the support down there. So what we are going to do is that we are going to take down and let's wait for the retracement to form a new resistance before we sell. Okay, all right. Okay, let's move again. Aussie yen. Aussie yen now back to the prevailing of the bear, and now we are going for the next support level. Okay, it has breaks the support. Yesterday we were talking about it and waiting for it to break the support, and now finally it breaks the support. We are waiting for it to go for the next support level, okay, which is here. Okay, so this support is kind of strong. Let's see how many pips of space do we have. We have about 24 pips of space to go, so looks good. Okay, so we can actually take note about this Aussie yen to sell. Okay, Aussie yen to sell. So tentatively by looking over here, I would suggest a new resistance. All right, the new resistance, let me check. Okay, it should be around here. So let's wait for it to go up a new resistance. Okay, then we sell. Okay, so Aussie yen is also into the selling, so still okay. We can still put into our list. However, Aussie yen we have to give more patience to it. All right, okay. Alright, so 澳日的话是可以做空啊，但是先等它回调以后，在这个压力位置啊不突破的情况下，呢，那么让它才开始做空哈 ，OK。Alright, so Aussie Kiwi is still in the bull run, okay, but the bull run has slowed down. Okay, slow down on the resistance level here. Can you see a resistance level? For the past few days, we have been talking about, okay, Aussie Kiwi is going for a bull, but this bull is slowing down. Okay, as we can see, there's a lot of rejections here. Around this area, there's a rejection. So these rejections over here, as we can see, is also a sign that showing that the resistance is quite strong. So this resistance is quite strong to reject from the resistance. So at this point of time, by looking at this Aussie Kiwi, if we are going to sell, but we are going into the NT trend. So if we are going to the NT trend, it is very likely for us to meet up with a lot of support level. Okay, example like here, there's a support. And once it hits on this support, it will just rebound. So probably it is also not a very wise choice to sell. But is it a good choice to buy? You see the resistance is also very near. Okay, so maybe a scalping strategy will work for Aussie Kiwi for a buy. Okay, so that will actually give you a short-term profit, scalping profit. But if you want to go for a long-term, I would suggest that it breaks the support. It breaks the resistance. When it comes back to retest the resistance, that becomes a support and form up a new support, then you go. Then that will be a better choice. Alright, OK。好了，那个澳纽的话呢，现在今天目前这一看的话，它已经在压力位置了。这个压力位置呢，这个是一个回调，在牛市里面的回调啊。你再一看，这些都是牛市。那么在牛市呢，我的这个粉色箭头这里一开启看的时候，就是看到它这里呢是一个压力位置嘛。所以这个压力位置一出现的时候呢，在这里它开始缓慢了。所以这个缓慢里面呢，它在这个牛市里面有回调的现象，大有可能今天有机会做空。但是做空的话呢，你今天是一个逆势交易哦，哈哈，还是不要啦哈。OK， 这么就不做。要做多的话呢，有一点点的空间可以小盈利。OK， 那么不然的话，就是先要等到它先突破这个压力位置。然后呢，才在这个压力位置以上呢，形成新的支撑，然后才往上做多吧。Okay, alright. So back to English. Aussie dollar. Right. Aussie dollar. Huh? So looking at Aussie dollar, what we are going to have over here, Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar. What is the situation? What is the situation that we are in? We always remember identify the situation. The situation is we are going to retest we are going to retest the support area here, correct? So we still have a good space for profit, about 50 pips. So good space for profit doesn't mean that we can enter a straight away we can enter for a selling, because it is also not very promising, because ultimately we have to find out where is the most appropriate entry point for us to grab the profit as soon as possible when we enter a trade and before the market changes the trend, correct? Okay, so right now, by looking at this, okay, there's a little support here. Let me check, is it correct? All right, so let's see. Yep, it's correct over here. So as you can see, since let me shrink down the chart. Since we have support over here, but this support seems like it's quite far away. We have 30 pips of space. Well. So today, Aussie dollar will be one of our focus that we can actually focus to sell. Alright, let me put it down into my list. OK， 澳美今天可以做空，我们有30个点，我们有30几个点的空间可以让我们去做空。所以呢，在这一段里面要做空的朋友呢，就要关注了哈。这个等它有稍微一点回调的时候 ，OK， 回调的时候呢，才来做空哈。OK，so I guess let's wait for Aussie dollar. Let's wait for a new resistance that form. Then we sell. Okay, a new resistance area that will be very likely around this area. Okay, yep, this is the. Let me check. Let me see. Oh yes, that's correct. Can you see? Okay. So as you can see over here, there is this support here. All right. The rejection because of the support here, and this is the price where buyers came in to buy and support the price to go up. So after that, there's a breakout. There's a breakdown over here. So there will be a lot of holding trades from this area, from the support. Okay, a lot of buyers were actually putting a buy limit over here, so to buy. And over this part here, once it breaks through, all the buy limit tickets will be at the losing trades now. So very likely, if the retracement go back, hits on the support but not breaking, that also become the resistance after that. When all the buyers start to sell off their holding trades, and there will be a big selling after that. Okay, so take note. Okay, you can grab the opportunity when it hits on the resistance, which comes from the support earlier on. All right, so Aussie dollar we can take note. Okay, 好了，那么 next to go Euro Aussie. Let's go with Euro Aussie. So Euro Aussie. So since we have a lot of our Aussie is into the ACC, okay, analyze currency crisis today, and we are also looking out for this Euro Aussie as a cross pair to become a buy. All right. So since Euro Aussie is still in the bull, setting up a higher support, higher low, which is a higher support, which give us a signal the strength is there to buy. So Euro Aussie is good for buying, not for selling. Okay, so where to buy? Oh yeah, it's starting the buy. Okay, right now. So take note for buyers. Okay, alright. 所以这个欧澳只能做多不能做空了哈。今天都是在牛市，回到牛市里面去了。Alright, so let's go for EURCAD. EURCAD, we are still in our bear market. Tested once, but it has not gone into the bear zone, into the bull zone, so we still have some chance to sell. However, today it looks like we are going for a retracement. Okay, so if it doesn't break the resistance, now we are on the resistance, which is good. Okay, let's check again. Yep, we are on the resistance. EURCAD, we have only one choice. Okay, that is the choice here. Once you hit the resistance, now we are testing the resistance. If the resistance is not breaking, it will start to turn down for a sell. So in this case, we can sell, okay, if it's not breaking the resistance. Okay, so What if it breaks the resistance? When it breaks the resistance with the aqua line above the white line here, that means to say it's actually going for a retracement. So the retracement may go even higher, okay, to test on the next resistance, okay, before it actually turns back to end the retracement and go back to the prevailing bear trend. So it may have this option, okay. However, this is the resistance is very crucial to gauge. All right, okay, guys. So this EURCAD, we are now on the resistance, so we have to pay attention. If it's giving us a new signal to sell, okay, or it's going for a retracement. All right. So tentatively, okay, if you're asking me, should I pay attention to this? Should I take note of this? I would say that yes, we can, since we are already on the resistance. But then again, is that please make sure it don't break the resistance. Then we can start selling for EURCAD. Okay, all right. So this is one point that we need to take note. Okay. Alright, so 欧加的话，今天现在已经是在这个压力位置了，在这个压力位置里面呢，现在已经在尝试要突破，但是是在牛市还是熊市呢？我们其实是在熊市，所以如果今天它在这一段里面，如果要做这个压力的，要做空的话呢，在这个压力再不突破的情况，就会有可能往下跌的一阵啊。OK， 好不好 ？Alright, so Euro Pound, let's go for Euro Pound. Okay, Euro Pound, we are into the bull zone, still testing, retesting the bull zone. Okay, so tentatively by looking at this, okay, by looking at this, we are actually looking for a retracement, and this Euro Pound is still very near to the bull, and actually coming in and went up and coming to retest again. So it's too near. So it's a sign of selling, but we are still so near to the bull zone. So it may give a reversement anytime. So for this, I'm going to skip. Okay, no taking risk. 欧棒不要冒险，因为它在底下了哈，太低了，谷底啦，现在没有人在谷底做空的，而且现在又没有现象说又没有这个现象说它要做空啊。OK, so Euro Kiwi is still in the bull run, so very obvious we are going for a bull. So buyers take note. Okay, so from yesterday, Euro Kiwi has been testing for the bull, and now we are still engaging into the bear zone. So right now, engaging to the bear zone, what does that mean? Into the bear zone of resistance. This bear zone, I call it the bear zone because it's into the very strong resistance area, whereby it may has a chance to reverse, to sell. However, this is the zone, it's inside. It can be breaking and it also can be coming down. So either way. So when we are in the zone, I will give you a miss. Okay? 好了，欧纽今天在这个区域里面是一个非交易区啊，所以说这个阶段里面我是不交易的。OK，Alright， so Euro dollar, we are in the bull now, retesting, right? Euro dollar is retesting the zone again. Okay, so now it's retesting the bull zone. So right now it's retesting the support. Now can we sell? I would suggest that no for today. Okay, Euro dollar no for today. Okay, all right. So give you a miss for Euro dollar. All right. So Euro dollar, tentatively is also we don't really have enough to put it in as a calculated risk, because once the risk is unable to calculate it out, I will not take this risk. Okay, I will not take this risk. So just give you a miss today. 好了，欧美真的是回来重踩这个支撑位置，对不对？那么这个重踩这个支撑位置的时候呢，这一段里面啊，又是在一个非交易区了。那么这一段里面做多也不是，做空也不是，就干脆跳过。OK，Alright, so Pound Aussie, as we know, we are still going for a buy. So Pound Aussie, we are still going for a buy. Okay, so today we are back into the bull. So buyers can take note. Alright, unlike past few days, we have a retracement and we can ride on the retracement to grab some scalping profit. But today, no, it's going for a bull. So it's going to test the resistance level, and once it breaks, it will go up very high. Alright, so yeah, So just pay attention for buyers. Okay, buying is possible, but not for selling. 棒澳很明显就是我们的牛市，在这个牛市里面呢，这一看的话，现在在挑战的这个压力位置，对不对？那么现在前几天有机会做的回调，可是今天就没有了，所以干脆就跳过了哈。做多的朋友就可以关注，做空的就不要做了。Alright, so Powcat. So now Powcat is coming back to retest, but however it meets the support level and it start to retrace for a buy. So now in retracing for a buy, so looks like we are creating a higher low over here. That means it's a sign of strength to buy. Okay, so tentatively for this pound Aussie, we are not going to sell. We can only buy. All right. Sorry, not pound Aussie, Powcat. Okay, I'm so sorry, Powcat. 好了，那个今天棒加的话呢，棒加今天它在这个况下，牛市出现重踩，可是重踩没到底的时候，现在又来了一个更高的低点，也就是更高的支撑位置，所以呢，这个做多的可能性是非常高的。Okay, so let's move again. Right, let's move again to pound franc. Pound franc, well, let's look at this pound franc. Pound franc, well, today looks like for the past 2 days has a retracement, and hopefully the retracement has ended and then coming back. Well, coming back very soon. So right now, as we can see, the resistance, from the support it breaks and now coming back here. Okay, so over here is a sign of the ending of retracement, correct? Ending of retracement. However, we are still on the support area. We are still aqua is above the white line, so we are still in the supported transition zone. So tentatively, if aqua cuts below the white line and there's a new resistance below around this area, okay, then we may have a chance to sell for about 28 pips of space. Okay, with the 28 pips of space, which is quite logical, reasonable, and very promising. Okay, so pound franc, we can take note whereby 28 pips of space is pretty safe. So yep, we can do it, huh? We'll put it inside, we'll put it into our list. Okay, pound franc. Right, pound franc. Okay. 好啦，棒瑞的话呢，我们今天是可以关注做空的哈。棒瑞，这个棒瑞做空的话呢，就等它许蓝线割下白线以后啊，因为现在目前是在这个过这个转换的过程里面，在这个转换的过程里面啊，那么这个转换的过程里面呢，还没有到熊市，还没正式进入熊市啊。所以这个没有机会做什么空，又有机会会回调，所以呢，等水蓝线割下白线，新的压力位再出现，然后我们才来做，因为有28到30个点的空间，蛮不错的。OK, alright. So how about my favorite pound yen? Pound yen today. Yes, we are back into the prevailing bear trend today. Okay, looks good to sell. We have for the past 10 over hours now we have a new resistance has been selling. Okay, have been selling already. So now let's take a look at since it's already selling, then what are we going to do if we wanted to sell? Okay, let's check. Okay, the retracement is ending soon, so let's wait for aqua cuts below the white line. There's a support level here. Let's take a look. The support level. Yep. Okay, the support level. So once it breaks the support, aqua cuts below the white line, we have a new resistance below the support area. Okay, then we can sell. That will help us to sell harshly. Okay, so pound yen. Okay, pound yen. We are going to take this into the list. OK， 好了，那么这个棒日呢，现在这一看的话，棒日现在是有机会做空，先突破支撑，虽然先割下白线以后，在底下有新的压力位置的话呢，我们才来做单子。OK。Alright, so pound kiwi, wow, pound kiwi straightforward. That is also a bull run. So buyers can pay attention, sellers stay away. OK， 好，棒牛很直接啊，这个很直接，这个就是 牛市，牛市现在在开始做多，然后这个牛市再继续的往上走了哈，做多都可以，做空肯定不可以。Alright, so pound dollar. Pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. Now what we are facing? The retesting. We are going for a retesting. Alright, so of the support area here, and it is good that we are seeing that it's coming down and giving us a good chance to sell. So pound dollar, we are looking for a selling. Okay, looking for a sell. So looking for a selling. Let's wait for this one. No. Okay. What I would advise is that for pound dollar, okay, no matter what, it must break the support. It must break the support. Okay, let me use H4. Okay, so that it will be much clearer. Pound dollar, you must break in H1. You must break the support. Okay, so the support is here. It breaks the support. Retrace below the support. Okay, below the support. Then, if it's not breaking up and the new resistance coming, yes, pound dollar we can sell. Okay, we can sell for pound dollar. Looking at it, is trying to retest the support area below. Okay, so I think it's still quite good. Okay, so right now, pound dollar, I will put this into my list. Okay, to pay attention to. All right, pound dollar. Okay. Okay, pound dollar. So let's go and let's go. OK， 棒美可以做空啊，不过一定要在1小时图里面呢，先突破的这个支撑，新的压力位出现在这一段的话，在底下的话呢，就有机会做空啦，尤其是有红点哈。OK，right， so dollar CAD. Oh, what a reverse. Okay, this retracement is quite strong. Okay, so dollar CAD yesterday it has a fall. Yes, correct. That's right. Yesterday, let's take a look. Yesterday, okay, it fell all the way. Okay, and I guess yesterday was like here until here we have 30 pips. Some of you, I know you cut your TP, and over here dollar CAD. I think it is still good to wait for a selling. Okay, I think it's because of the statement, FOMC statement yesterday, and actually it just boom up. Okay, the dollar is just booming up. Okay, so over here, and let's put it a hot for dollar CAD to sell today. Okay, so the impact of getting this dollar CAD to continue the selling may need to wait for a few days. Okay, so we just give you a miss today for selling. All right. 好的，那么这个美加现在呢开始就是昨天有回调嘛，不过在半夜的时候有这个 FOMC 把它给推高了，所以现在暂时要做空在这个美加的朋友，我们都得要有点耐心，这得要等它先结束，好，这个才可以回到我们的熊市的时候才来做空，好不好 ？Alright, so dollar franc is still moving on. Okay, from the support, is still moving up towards the bear zone. So in this case, tentatively buyers, you can pay attention to it, but not the sellers. Sellers is definitely no. There will be a retracement. Downwards. Then when new support coming, then we'll continue the buy. Okay, all right, buyers. There will be. Okay, all right. That's right, Roger. Okay, dollar yen. So dollar yen, same thing. Yesterday, it actually started to run up all the way, and yesterday was saying that the support has been running up. So yesterday, I wouldn't advise a buy. I will advise a sell because I see that it's hitting on the support and it's actually building up the new support, heading for north. So since that's the case, we will just give you a miss from yesterday until today. Yeah, so let's not take any chance. Okay, all right. So again, let's go again to take a look at our Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin. What is the possible outcome? I don't know. Okay, I can only based on the current situation. All right, Riano. All right, so current situation by looking at this, okay, it is actually turning down to look out for a very good support to push. All right, to push for a very a surge, I would say. Okay, to push for a surge. So at this moment, I'm looking at this. It is still looking for a good support. Okay, hopefully with the production, okay, from Tesla, okay, it will continue to give a booster for the Bitcoin as a new something new is going to announce. Okay, so we will wait for a very supportive news or a very supportive news and also the supportive price, okay, to give the surge. Well, you can still pay attention to that. So a lot of people are asking about Bitcoin nowadays. All right, so I have also studied it for quite a while. Okay, it has been a while. And all these years I've been monitoring all this. So looking at this tentatively to go for a Bitcoin trading here, I think we really got to find someone who is really very reliable, okay, with the system and the server. Right, so since Vantage has already upgraded the server to serve all the clients better, okay, so I actually leave a link below in the description box, okay, so you can actually click on it and find out more. All right, so that's all for me today. Okay, so just come back here. What do we have for our currency? Okay, to focus to sell, we have Aussie franc, Aussie yen, Aussie dollar, EURCAD, pound franc, pound yen, and also pound dollar. All right, all these. Okay, so yeah, so that's all for me today, guys. I wish you good luck in your trading, and remember to click on the subscribe button. Remember to click the like button to give me a booster. Okay, right. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and this is Every Day from ACS Learning Hub. I shall see you again tomorrow. See you again, guys. Good luck.